This section is on the sign test. The sign test is a non-parametric test used for hypothesis testing with one median. So first we need to verify that the sample is random. Then state the claim. The different options for the null and alternative hypotheses are listed here. We have to determine if the test is left, right, or two-tailed, and then identify the level of significance. Next, we convert all observations less than the proposed median value into minus signs, and all observations greater than the proposed median value into plus signs. And we ignore observations equal to the proposed median value. Next, we calculate the number of minus signs, the number of plus signs, and n is the total number of minus and plus signs. Then we calculate the test statistic k. So if the test is two-tailed, k is the smaller number of minus signs or plus signs. If the test is left-tailed, k is the number of plus signs. And if the test is right-tailed, k is the number of minus signs. Then we compare k with the critical value. So if k is less than or equal to the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis. If k is greater than the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And then we write the correct conclusion. In the early 2000s, the median pH level of the rain in Glacier National Park, Montana was 5.27. A biologist believes that the pH level has increased since then. She obtains a random sample of 15 rain dates. The results are shown below. At the 0.05 level of significance, is there enough evidence to support the biologist's claim that the median pH level has increased from 5.27? Use the sign test. So the claim is that the median is greater than 5.27. So this is the alternative hypothesis, which means this is a right-tailed test. And the null hypothesis is the median is less than or equal to 5.27. Alpha is 0.05. Now let's go back and calculate the number of minus signs and plus signs. We ignore any values that are equal to 5.27. Any values less than 5.27 get converted into minus signs, and any values greater than 5.27 get converted into plus signs. So there are 6 minus signs and 7 plus signs. Now n is equal to the total number of minus and plus signs. So 6 plus 7 is 13. This is a right-tailed test, so k is the number of minus signs, so 6. Now let's look at the table for the critical value. The critical value is going to be 3. So k is greater than the critical value, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.05 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to support the biologist's claim that the median pH level is greater than 5.27.